Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about difficulty of the course. Please hear me out, this information is important. Alright, so first of all, it is important to remember that creating a video game, especially a game of such scale, is not an easy task. It is a complex and challenging process that requires time, effort and willingness to learn. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process and explain everything in details. I want to be sure it's clear, so I'll repeat once again. Even for experienced developers, making a game of such scale is not easy. Some of the systems might feel like something advanced, and it may even feel like a lot at some times. But don't worry, I remember what it's like to be a beginner, and I'm here for you every step of the way. With detailed explanation and guidance, you'll be able to overcome any difficulty. Now let's talk about the crash course section. It covers the important basics you need to know to start with game development. If you're just starting out or you want to refresh your memory, I highly recommend completing the crash course section. The knowledge you gain there will be extremely useful in the main part of the course. If you really want to skip the crash course, try to answer these questions. What is a component in Unity? How do you use timers and time.delta time? What is list and array? How do you make transform look towards the target? How do you find closest transform? And what is the difference between for each and for loop? If you can easily answer these questions, you should be fine in the main part as well. I trust you to decide what is best for you. Just remember that in the main part of the course, I'm assuming you completed the crash course section. Something else to know. The first project is always full of frustration. It's always a shock. One of the reasons I created the crash course is to help you to deal with the stress of your first project. Because I know how it is. Everything is new, you don't know what to click, and you just want to make games. I remember that feeling very well. That's why in the crash course section we create a new project, we learn things we need to know using the example of an extremely simple tower defense. Then we're going to leave that project behind. Just to make it clear, in the main part of the course we are going to make a new project and start from scratch. The crash course is there only to help you learn the basics and remove the shock of the first project. In the main part of the course we're going to make a new project and start development for real. Just in case if I scared you just now, I wanna say don't worry man, it's okay. I never met a person who would drop game development because it's difficult. That makes it only fun. I began my journey with no experience, and if I could do it, you can do it too. Alright, so thank you for paying attention in this video. This is important to know, and just watch the next one. See you.